Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I wanted to share with you how I made these 4 adorable last minute DIY Christmas gift ideas. Now these are these gifts that you can give to include in another gift or give them as individual gifts or like for a white elephant kind of idea. These are perfect for that. So the first one we're actually going to make today is one of these cookie jars. Now these jars right here are at our Dollar Tree right now, and they're a great size. I actually picked up a few of them, so stay tuned for a few projects with these jars. But the first idea that I got was, of course, to make it as a gift. So what I did was I washed with soap and water and made sure everything was nice and clean. And then I did use some alcohol to clean the surface of my jar in order for me to attach these letters. Now I use my Cricut in order to make this label for my cookie jar, but if you don't have a Cricut, you could still do this project easily by getting some letter stickers and then just attaching them together to spell out anything you want to spell out onto your jar. What I did was I just put cookies in larger letters, and then I put open daily right on top. Just a cute little saying. Again, I wanted to make these nice and fast for you to make, but really adorable gifts. So just go ahead and add your sticker letters or your Cricut label like I am onto your jar, just making sure everything is nice and flat and all those letters are stuck really good onto your jar. Now, since it's nice and easy, you can leave it as is like this. Maybe add a little gift card in here with some tissue paper if you wanted to make it even simpler. Or like I did, I just grabbed a few of these snack size cookies from Dollar Tree, of course. And this one jar actually fits 3 of these snack size packages in here. So you can just leave them cookies inside the packages just like this. Put your jar label, your lid right back onto your jar, and there you have it. Perfect gift. Or you can, if you wanted to, just stack your cookies into your jar. Now, if I was to stack all my cookies into my jar, I would have purchased more cookies. But I just wanted to share with you how you can stack all these cookies into your jar. But again, if I was to give this as a gift and stack the cookies in my jar, I would make sure I fill up the jar with all the cookies. This is something really cute. You could even lay out with your kids for Santa Claus. So this is something that you can, again, just use for yourself at home as well. And you can decorate, again, this jar any way you like by adding some ribbons or glitter on here as well. So for our next project, what I did was I grabbed one of these Christmas ornaments and then just put one package of some hot cocoa with those marshmallows into my ornament. Then I went ahead and put the hanging lid right onto it. Then I grabbed one of these coffee cups from Dollar Tree, and in case they don't like hot chocolate, I added a package of tea and then also some coffee, a peppermint, and a honey stick. So whatever you have, just put it in there that you think would be perfect for a hot tea, coffee, or again, some hot cocoa. Then I just wanted to go ahead and add some ribbon right up front. And I just made a simple bow with this checkered ribbon from Dollar Tree. And then once I made that bow, I thought, okay, well, then the peppermint stick would look, the candy cane would look really cute right in front. So I just kind of pushed that in, and there you have it. An adorable gift for teachers or that just special someone in your life. Now for our next one, if you didn't want to give anything edible, you can just get some of these butterfly decals and then get one of the round candle holders that are fish bowls, and then just go ahead and add the butterfly decals right onto your jar. And just make sure there's no wrinkles or anything like that onto your decals. Just using your finger or anything like that to rub all those butterflies onto your jars. And you can add as many as you like or as little. Once you're happy with the amount of decal butterflies that you do place onto your fishbowl jar, you can again just add whatever you like in here. So what I did was I just hot glued another candle in there, and there you have it. Now for our next DIY, what I did was I got one of these wine cups, flipped it upside down, added some E6000 and hot glue. Then I grabbed a really pretty decorative bowl that's usually in your dishes and stuff like that at Dollar Tree, and placed that right on top. And then go ahead and set this aside and allow it to dry before you do anything else. Once it's completely dry, just go ahead and spray paint it or leave it as is if you want. And then add your favorite candies in here, or a really pretty flowers would be really pretty in here as well. And there you have it, another adorable gift. So I hope this helps you out for those last minute DIY Christmas gift ideas you may need. If I did help you out and you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.